In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign and send a document using DocuSign. It's a straightforward process that can make managing your digital signatures simple and efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your DocuSign homepage. Once there, look for the Start button. If you're already involved with an ongoing process under Agreements, you'll also see an option to Start Now. This is the foundation of sending a document for signature, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section. It's designed to streamline the process, making it easy even if you're new to this platform. Next, it's time to upload the document you wish to send. This step is straightforward. Choose the file you want from your computer. DocuSign supports a variety of file formats, so whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another type, you should have no trouble uploading it. Once your document is uploaded, it will appear on your screen, allowing you to prepare it for signing. Now, let's move on to filling in the details of your recipient. You'll need to enter their name and email address. There's also an option to add an email subject and message. This can be a helpful way to communicate any special instructions or context for the document. After you've ensured all the recipient information is correct, click Next to proceed. This will take you to the essential task of placing the fields where signatures and other required details will go. This brings us to setting up the document for signing using the standard fields. You'll see options like sign, email, name, address, and more. Simply drag these fields to the appropriate places on the document. Take your time during this step. It's crucial because these fields guide the signer on where to provide information. Ensuring they're correctly placed can prevent errors and the need for document revisions later on. Finally, once you're satisfied with the document setup and all fields are in place, you can click Send. This action will initiate the process of getting your document signed. Your recipient will receive an email prompting them to review and complete the signing process. Once they finish, you'll be notified, and you can access the signed document through your DocuSign account. And there you have it. You now know how to sign and send a document using DocuSign. With these steps, you'll find it's an efficient way to manage your document signing needs. Whether it's for personal use, business agreements, or anything else requiring a signature, DocuSign streamlines the process for both you and your recipients. Thanks for watching, and happy signing!